Hello, this is Mr. Stein, and in this video we're going to look at section 7.2, solving a system of linear equations graphically. By the time you're done this section, you should be able to determine the point where two lines cross given a graph, graph linear functions in different forms by hand, and graph linear functions using a graphic calculator such as Desmos. Right, let's take a look at the vocabulary. So what we've got here is we've got two linear equations. They form a system of linear equations. So in section 1, we've got our first linear equation right there. System of linear equations. And the point that satisfies both linear equations is found right there at the intersecting point. So the solution to this system of linear equations is found at 1, 1. That will be our solution. In our second set of linear equations, we can see that our intersecting point, our solution they have in common, is right there. They don't have any other solutions in common, and that's at -2, -2. Now, as you can see, two lines can only cross at one point. So the most number of, well, not technically, but you can only really have one solution. But can you ever have it where you have no solutions? Well, if I just quickly sketch out a system of linear equations for you, you will be able to see when you might not have any solution. So if we have one line right here, and the second line in our system of linear equation goes parallel to it, these two lines will never meet. Parallel. Never meet. They will never have a common solution. So, you should be able to do this on Desmos. I'm going to switch over to Desmos now and show. So let's head on over to Desmos. Here I've got two equations set up. Y equals -1/3 x plus 5. So I show that on the graph, and you can see it right there. You can see its y-intercept there. You can see its x-intercept over there. And let's see our second linear equation right there, 2x minus 9. There's our y-intercept, there's our x-intercept. And we can see that they meet at that point right there. So Desmos will show you right away where these two graphs will meet. And it'll identify for you, and you just tap it, and it will tell you the point where they meet. All right, so you can determine the point where two lines cross given a graph. Now we're going to practice in the examples graphing equations by hand and graphing the equations using Desmos. So keep Desmos handy when you're doing this. Right, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or contact me directly. And thank you for watching.